As a 540 wave on myself, man, I know that the right side can be a little harder than any other side, especially if you got the clockwise swirl, you feel me? In this video right here, I'm gonna break down how I got my right side so elite. There's 3 angles to get your right side elite, man. I promise you don't wanna miss this video. And we're gonna get right into it right after the intro.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned it.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel, you want to learn more about how to get waves, man. All I ask, bro, I don't ask for no money, no nothing, you feel me? All I ask is for you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, in this video right here, I'm gonna be breaking down my right side, man. This video is mainly for the right side, man. If you want to see the left side video, man, comment down below and let me know real quick, you feel me? I can get that done for y'all, but this video right here, I'm only focusing on my right side, you feel me? So, yeah, no further ado, man, I'm gonna jump right into it. When breaking down the 540 wave pattern, bro, there are 3 angles that you must consider when you brushing your right side. This may vary if you got a counterclockwise swirl. I got a clockwise swirl, so if you got a counterclockwise swirl, it'll be your left side you doing this too. So when breaking down that right side, man, there are 3 angles that you must consider, and that's in front of the ear, to the ear, and behind the ear. So let's get into it. The first angle that you want to do is in front of the ear, just like you're seeing right now. The next angle you want to work on is to the ear, right? The next puzzle piece to that is basically, it's brushing behind the ear, man. And just to recap this video, man, when you brushing your right side, you gonna pinpoint everything off your ear. You wanna brush in front of your ear, to your ear, and behind your ear, you feel me? Bro, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man, you feel me? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. Love. Let's get it, man. Gang.